If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan. I create content that better your lives in some way. So if you're interested in seeing what all that's about, then go ahead, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on another video from your girl, because by the end of this video, you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you gotta keep up with your BFF. So go ahead and do it. Today's video, I wanted to address some of the questions I've been getting on a few of my merchandising videos. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep watching. The first question is, what do I wear as a merchandiser? So if your job doesn't give you a polo or a shirt that has the company logo on it for you to wear, then I suggest wearing just like either a plain polo or whatever type of shirt is comfortable for you and some jeans, because I know that works best for me with what I have to do. Sometimes I have to do a lot of hands-on work. Other times it's just snapping a picture and just moving on. But depending on what I have to do that day, it kind of depicts what I wear. I try to make sure that I'm comfortable but still look good. I don't want to look like show up in sweats. Like, I would never do that, but I want to make sure that I'm comfortable in what I'm wearing. And yeah, so it'll make it easier for me to get my job done. So again, if your company does not give you a actual shirt to wear, then just wear something comfortable but still look perfect. And as far as shoes go, I wear either sneakers or I wear Vans. Again, something that's comfortable, something that has a grip for the most part, because I know I have to climb up ladders sometimes, so you don't want to be like a sandal or something with a smooth bottom on there, because you might slip and fall. So keep that in mind as well. The next question is about nail lengths. Like, do I wear nails? Can I wear nails? The answer for that is, again, depends on the company you work for. But for me, the company I work for, they never specify. Make sure I either have really short nails or I don't have nails on at all, because sometimes the work can be really hands-on and I'm like moving fixtures, I'm setting shops, and I can easily break a nail. Now I wear press-ons. I've been wearing press-ons like when I got pregnant with Ryan, so that's almost 4 years ago. So I've been wearing press-ons for a long time, so I don't go get my nails done. So I either, like, if I have nails on and they're getting in my way, I'll pop them suckers off. But that's just me, okay? So again, it depends on your preference, but you know, make sure it's something that's going to be manageable. You know, you don't want to have those super long nails, even though they're pretty. You don't want to have those super long nails if that's going to get in the way of your work. The next question is, do they drug test? And again, it depends on the company you work for. For my company, I did not have to get drug tested. I did have to get drug tested for a different company that I worked for prior to this job. But yeah, so again, it depends on that. They don't have any surprise drug testing with my current job, and I've been with them for a little over 2 years. So yeah, so they don't offer it. I mean, you know, they don't make us have to do it, but again, depends on who you work for. But if you know you're applying for jobs, I probably wouldn't do any drugs, because you know they might test you, so you might want to lay off or something like that until you get the job. I don't know, but yeah, no judgment. But yeah. And the last question is where to find jobs. Now, I have a whole video on where to find merchandising jobs, and I'll link that up here and also down below. But again, just use these keywords when you are searching on different job sites, whether that's Indeed, LinkedIn, Monster Jobs, which I don't even know if they're still around. I haven't been on that website in a long time, but any job search website that you use these following keywords to help you find merchandising jobs like the ones that I've had and the ones that I currently have. So use merchandiser, merchandise coordinator, visual merchandiser, or retail reset merchandiser. Any of those keywords are going to help you get to the type of job that I have. So hope that helps. And make sure you check out that other video where I go into detail on ways to find merchandising jobs. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful in your questions that you have about merchandising. If you have any additional questions, please leave them down below and I will do a part 2 for you guys. And don't forget to check the description box below for all my social media networks. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.